Hi, everybody. I want to talk to you about Kahoot. Okay, so I am going to go to Google Chrome and I'm just going to type in Kahoot. All right, and here is Kahoot, and I'm going to click on it, and here is Kahoot. Hey, make learning awesome. Isn't that cool? So what is Kahoot? Kahoot is simply a game you create, you play, and you share for learning for any subject for all ages, and it's for free. How cool! I am really excited. Well, let's see how you sign up for free. So you click on sign up for free, and it says here I want to use Kahoot as a teacher, socially, as a student, or at work. Let's say I select as a teacher, and I'd have to fill in all my account details, add your school or university, username, the usual thing, and then join Kahoot. Now, I already have an account, so I am simply going to click on sign in, and I'm going to sign in to Kahoot, okay? So let me go to Kahoot and put my username, and I'm going to put my password. Aha! Ta-da! And here is my Kahoot. And here's what you can do, all right? You can create a new Kahoot, you can create a quiz, you can create a jumble game, you can create discussion, you can create survey. Is that cool or is that cool? And the cool thing is when you use Kahoot, you can use it with your iPad or with your iPhone or with your computer, any of that. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you one of my Kahoots, my first Kahoot that I've created, okay? Just to give you an idea. And here it is, funny presentation quiz, okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on edit, and here it is. I've got two questions in this quiz, and I'm going to click on this edit this question button, and here's how you create it. The first question is, what doesn't the presenter carry in his hands? Okay, here's a time limit, and you can select from this drop-down box. 20 seconds or 30 seconds is usually right. Okay, and then here are all the answers. So A, or answer 1 is a computer. Answer 2 is the whiteboard. Answer 3 is a toy line. Um, Now, you want to mark the right answer by selecting the check mark, and when you select the check mark, it becomes green, and that indicates to you that that's the correct answer. Okay? Now, where it says media, you can also add an image or upload an image or add a video, but I'm not going to do that for my first Kahoot, okay? So that's my first question, and then I'm going to go to the next question, which is right here, which I've already created. And let's look at the edit. And here's question number 2. What is the first thing he drops on the table? And again, I've set that time limit for 30. By the way, you also want to make sure that this is yes, selected on yes. It's usually the default anyway. But and then the answers are, answer 1 is the toy line, answer 2 is the computer, answer 3 is the whiteboard. And the correct answer is the toy line. That's why we have selected this check mark and it's becoming green. So that's the correct answer. All right. And then, so that is essentially our quiz. Okay. So I'm going to go back and let's just play this game. All right. So here it is. And I'm going to click on play. Okay. To play this game. And here it is, and I play. And here it is, Kahoot Funny Presentation Quiz. Okay, you have the classic and you have the team mode. I usually like the classic. It's a lot easier to use, and so I would suggest you use the classic mode. And when I click on classic, um, there it is. See, and see it is join at Kahootit. All right. Uh, and what I'm gonna do is uh, I need this game pin to join. So I'm just gonna select that, right click and copy it. I'm gonna go to another tab, and now I have to go to the website Kahoot It. Okay, see that Kahoot It? And when I go there, ta-da! And now I can enter the game pin. I just right click on it and paste the game pin. Ta-da! And I enter. How nice! Okay, go. And I've got to type in my nickname. So let's say I just put in Percy. All right, and okay, go. And you're in. All right, and see. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna start my game. Okay, so this is me as the instructor, and I'm gonna click on Start and see Funny Presentation Quiz. 2 questions. Are you ready? So here's the first question, question 1 of 2. What doesn't the presenter carry in his hand? And you have these choices. So if I go to the answer, I can select any one of these. And let's say I select this one. Uh-oh, I guessed wrong, okay. All right, that's all right. I got the first question wrong. And now I can go back as the instructor, and I'm going to go to the next question. Um, and the next question is, what is the first thing he drops on the table? Aha! So here I'm going to go to Kahoot It, and I'm going to answer. So I'm going to click on that, and that is correct. Awesome! I got 867 points. See? First he got 867 points. And now, of course, I'm the only person participating in this game, so I'm in first place. Hey, cool. What an ego boost. Okay. Well, I was just kidding, y'all. But this is it. Okay. So here it shows that I got one uh, out of the 2 questions. Okay. And then I can click on End Quiz, and that's the end of the quiz. And here's the podium, and Percy has won 867 points. I got 1 out of 2 questions right. Okay. Awesome. And then I can also go click on results, and here I've got 867 points. Now, if there were other people playing, their points would be displayed over here too. So you see how awesome this is? And not only can you play Kahoot on the computer, but you can play it on an iPad, an iPhone, a cell phone, you name it, and you can use it. I am really pumped about this. Awesome. Thank you. Bye.